Before the installing, let's check first the software version of our vehicle. As you can see here, we have either an Intel or an AMD processor. Our vehicle has an Intel processor. The tools you'll need before installation include a flathead screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. Now, let's take a look at underneath the glove compartment. There are 2 screws and a plastic clip here. Once opened, you'll see these 2 connectors. The first is our LVDS connector. The other one is the gray power cable. This connector here is for our antenna. It needs to be installed on our head unit beforehand. These are our dip switches. On the head unit, the 2 LVDS cables are directly connected. Then find the original LVDS cable that we just removed. Insert the male connector from the original car into the female connector of our LVDS cable. Then take the male connector from our product and plug it back into the original car's female connector. Here is the port for the head unit's power cable. Once it's plugged in, right at this spot, we'll unplug the gray one. This is a male connector. Plug it into the female connector on our power cord. Then, after plugging it in, using the male connector of our power cord, plug it back into the original female connector in the car. So there are 2 pieces in total. This is how it looks after installation. Make sure the placement doesn't block the buckle. Then 2 gears for 15 seconds to restart. After restarting, we can enter the CarPlay connection. Here, directly enter our pairing interface. Start pairing. After successful pairing, it will automatically jump to our CarPlay interface. This is a tutorial for Apple phone CarPlay. Once connected, we can enter the CarPlay interface. Here's our Huawei HiCar. Here are the connection steps for Huawei HiCar. Here, we use the phone's built-in browser to scan the code. Scan the code. Scanning the code will prompt you to connect, and you can connect successfully very quickly. You can choose the layout. It's very simple. Here's the entire process of connection and usage.